Here's my very, very, very late July vlog. It came. It weighs 117 pounds, which I should be able to pick up and move, but I just got in from the gym and I'm busted. So I'm going to try something different. Oh no, that feels like way more than 117 pounds. I have to do it like I did before. I'll have to bring it in piece by piece. I had to take it apart piece by piece, but I got it in, got it put together. This is 2 that I've done. I'm so proud of me. Not happy about this. Someone who lives next door to my mom shot fireworks into her yard, which landed on her deck, on her house, on her carport. It was all over her yard, and we had to pick it up. We asked, but of course, nobody saw anything. Really, you're shooting fireworks into an 81-year-old woman's yard that she has to pick up. Of course, I helped her, but that's just so rude. But Mom and I went to see the fireworks downtown. We got like a really good spot to watch it. And that is not my mother sitting on top of that purple car. We had her sitting dignified in a chair on top of a quilt. This stuff is just so easy. You know where I am, right? Yes, it is Wednesday before my competition on Saturday, and I'm doing okay on weight. I haven't had a blizzard in a long time. I'm 2 weeks out from my Moderna shot, and I think that going without a blizzard is making me weak. So, let's try this. So good. So good. A little reading material in the car, and I bought me a deep tissue massager to help work these knots out. I also bought some fractional plates, and I think because of, I'm going to tell you next about the blizzards, I think my new food is going to be chili cheese fries. You know where I am, right? Having a blizzard, celebratory blizzard, because I did way better in my competition this weekend than I thought I would. So good. I went to the doctor yesterday. I have some stuff down the inside of my nose because of nosebleeds and all. I felt terrible yesterday. My nose sinuses poured all day long. Took an allergy pill last night, knocked me out. I'm feeling better now. I'm getting very disappointed in my local Dairy Queen. There was some brownies and chocolate on top, and look at this. This is just mostly all vanilla soft serve ice cream in here. Like, I didn't pay $5 for a bunch of vanilla soft serve ice cream. I did take it inside and talk to the manager, and she was like not very receptive to me talking about it. And I haven't been back since. I don't think I'm going to go back until they have a changeover in employees, because it's just been bad the past 3 times I've gone there. I have been trying to pressure wash my mom's driveway for a very long time, and every time I try, this is what we get. Rain, rain, rain. But I guess the rain is good for my roses because they're having their second round of blooms. Some rather large limbs fell. And this limb fell down looking like it's just going to give itself another chance. Planted itself right back in the ground. That one didn't. I think I'm just going to leave it in there and see what happens. The rain and the high winds were also having extremely high temperatures. I got into my car after work, it was 100, and then it cooled down to 98. With the heat and the rain, it's just making my grass grow. But finally, I found a window of opportunity, and I did get my grass mowed. Yay! And does Facebook even know me? Can you see me in these garments? I can't. This is not even appropriate for me at all, especially not a wedding dress. So I go to a teacher conference, and one of our things we have to do is to plan an event in 7 minutes. So my former student and now one of my favorite colleagues, Casey Harrell, and I, we planned my memorial service. Yes, we did. And then, magically, Facebook started showing me party favors. The birds are trying to come back and build their nasty little nests, and they're not even afraid of my fake snakes. Look at this trash they leave down here. Well, I'm going to fix this. What do you call the things that make this noise? He was chirping right and strong when I was inside the house trying to film him through the screen. Once I get outside and put him in the spotlight, of course he wouldn't perform. Can't say that I blame him. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and remember, it can always be worse. See you next time.